Hi everyone, welcome to OFW Wealth TV. Our channel is about financial literacy and general finance, and we hope you enjoy our videos. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe and hit the notification bell and to be notified when we drop our next video. 15 tips and money rules that can help you manage your finances wisely in this year. 1. Create a budget. Start by making a monthly budget to track your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. 2. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will provide a financial safety net in case of unexpected events. 3. Pay yourself. First, set aside a portion of your income for savings before you spend on anything else. Automate this process if possible. 4. Debt management. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit cards. Consider consolidating or refinancing to lower interest rates. 5. Invest wisely. Begin investing for your long-term goals, such as retirement, using a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. 6. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Stay informed about investment options and market trends. 7. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase your spending just because you earn more money. Save and invest the difference. 8. Set financial goals. Define clear financial goals, both short-term and long-term. This will give you direction and motivation. 9. Diversify income sources. Explore side gigs or additional income streams to increase your financial stability. 10. Automate savings. Use automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts to ensure you consistently save money. 11. Track expenses. Monitor your expenses regularly to identify areas where you can cut back or optimize spending. 12. Insurance coverage. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, life, and property insurance to protect against unexpected events. 13. Estate planning. Create or update your will and consider estate planning to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. 14. Tax optimization. Learn about tax-efficient investing and take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s. 15. Seek professional advice. If your financial situation is complex, consider consulting a financial advisor or planner for personalized guidance. Remember that financial management is a continuous process, and these rules should be adapted to your individual circumstances and goals. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial strategy is key to long-term financial success. Thank you for watching the video, and hope you like it. I appreciate if you leave a comment, like, share, or subscribe if you are new to the channel. Take care and see you to the next video. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed in this video is not investment advice. It is provided for informational purposes only. Every investment involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money. This video for educational and entertainment purposes only.